Ever wondered how to make those small knife cuts everything stress relief videos that are blowing up all over the internet? Well, let me teach you. You'll get the hang of it in just 3 minutes. First, open TensorArt, then look for and select the Flux.1 Cree dev model. It's the one that just went open source recently. Next, you'll need a short but key prompt. The trick here is to clearly describe to things in the prompt the action you want and the material of the object involved. After that, click Run. Once it generates some images, pick the one that looks right, and then choose the Image to Video feature. For this part, use the WAN to point to model. It's also a newly open source one to turn the image into a video. And if you're not sure how to write the prompt, you can follow this example format I'm sharing. Once the video is done, we just have one last step, adding the right audio. Just click the video dubbing option directly. Then select the MMAUDIO model, type in your audio prompt, hit Run, and let's take a look at how it turns out.